name is Alfie Frame from Sydney, Australia. I've been playing golf since I was 3 years old and I absolutely love the game. My goal is to one day play on the PGA Tour. I love getting out there, experimenting with my golf game, finding out new things about how I can get better each and every day and improving myself on the golf course.